Okay, we are doing spiral review. It is not a quiz. I'll have to edit that. You're putting your last name, your first name, and which period you have math. So this first one asks you to determine the ratio of banana nut muffins to corn muffins. So it's 2 to 5 or 2 to 5 or 2/5. So our answers are these. Okay. The next problem is going to be done with cross multiplication. 40 over 8 equals 5 over x. So 40 equals 40x. X equals 1. It says to answer only in a whole number, so even though it should be 1 hour, we're going to just put 1. Now, I will tell you that this is the second time I had to do it because I left off something at the very end. So if I'm a little slower or a little faster, that would be the why. Okay. This one right here, I had a little trouble before, but there's a couple of ways to go about it. I've seen students that have just drawn the 5 bags because it says for every 5 bags, he gets $10. We're working on unit rates right now, so every 5 bags, he gets $10. Okay, last weekend, though, he raked 25 bags, so I'm keeping that at the top, and we don't know how much money he gets. So I'm going to cross multiply, then I'm going to divide. So my guess is he made $50, okay? But I'm going to verify that. This is 5 bags, 5 bags, 5 bags, 5 bags, 5 bags. So this is 25 total bags. And for that, he got $10, $10, $10, $10, and yes, you guys did $10. So my answer is that much he's got. So yes, it checks. Note that it says answer a number only. So even though I want to type $50, I'm just going to put 50. Okay, this bottom one is the one, that I messed up because I left off something. I don't even remember what the something is that I left off. But I want you guys to see how it's done. I love my computer. It's my favorite thing. A town in East Texas received 15 inches of rain in 2 weeks. If it kept raining at this rate for a 31-day month, how much rain did the town receive? So, and then we have to round it to the nearest inch. So the thing that you need to think about is it's telling you in numbers of days, but it's also telling you in numbers of weeks. So I have to convert that 2 weeks into 14 days. So I'm going to put days over inches. And then I'm going to try to fill in my information. So 14 days had 15 inches of rain. And they want to know if it keeps happening, if that's the unit rate, or if that's not unit rate, if that's the rate, then I'm going to, in 31 days, how much rain will they have? Okay. Cross multiply, 14x equals, go off to the side, 31 times 15 is 5, 155, 1, 3, 5, 6, 465. Now, the mistake that I made is I did this, but it should be that. I left off the 1, 4. So much fun. So, I know that you guys should be able to do this. 465 divided by 14. I'm going to guess 3, or 14 times 3, 42. So I got close. Subtract 45, still going to be 3. Now I have a decimal. 2 is 28. Bring down, but as I start thinking, hey, notice this tells me to round to the nearest inch. So can I stop? Yeah, because this 2, and I look at the 3, I have to stay at 33. So it's telling me to round my answer to the nearest inch. It is also not telling me to not put inches. So because I'm working on this one where it already gives me the answers, I can click it, I hope, and it will tell me what it accepts. It says, oh, it does not include inches. So it says 33, just keep it as the number only.